Welcome to another video, and today we are going to do stuffed chicken. Alright, so we're going to make the filling. So I'm going to mince the escallion, or some person will say spring onion. I'm going to do it in smaller pieces. As you can see. And then we have some beans. I'm going to make it small. So we're just making our stuffings. And this is my version, okay, of making our stuffed chicken. So I'm just making the filling. And then I'm going to use garlic. Add some herbs as well. Alright, so now we have some grated cheese and all the herbs that we just cut in mince. I'm gonna add some black pepper to it, some ground ginger, and some chili. We're going to combine all of this and we're going to put it in the center of our chicken breast. So it's just cheese and herb and garlic in it. Alright, so we have our chicken already washed, just trimming off the excess fat that we have on it, and we're going to make a cut inside like a butterfly, and we're going to stuff it. Let's see, a butterfly cut. So we're taking off the excess fat and we're going to cut at the deeper end so we can get a filling pocket. So I'm going to use some seasoning. Alright, so we are going to use some seasoning to rub on the outside and on the inside. Put the cheese filling that we have. You don't want to put too much inside because you want to close it. Okay. Do the next one. And we're going to close it. Alright, so we're going to close it now. We're going to use a toothpick. Put it together. We're going to seal it. Maybe about 2 or 3. I'm going to use 3. And then grease baking tray or casserole dish. We're going to place it inside. We're going to do the next one. Close it all up. Okay. Alright, so there we go. That's two. So we're gonna put in the oven for 25 minutes, and then we're gonna check it and see what's happening with it. Okay. Alright, so we're gonna make the sauce. So we're gonna use honey, just a teaspoon. We're gonna use ketchup. Tomato puree, or if you have ketchup, then we're gonna use that one. Paste and soy sauce. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use some sugar as well. We're gonna use some sugar. We're gonna make a paste. You can see. And then we're gonna base it on the chicken, on the outer part of the chicken. Alright, so after 20 minutes, yeah, this is what we have. The chicken, I'm not sure if you can see. So I'm gonna base it. Give it some color. And then we're gonna put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. Just basting it. Alright, so this is it so far. So we base it with the sauce that we make. So we're gonna put it back in the oven for 10 minutes. Alright, so we're gonna remove the stick. So it's cooked. We're gonna remove the toothpick. It is still hot. Come closer. Alright, so I'm gonna cut. You need to see the inside. See? Pretty. It's very soft. Yeah. I'm gonna taste it. is very moist. See? It's very nice. Thank you for watching. And I hope you learned something today. Bye.